In our last video, we took a look at creating and preparing our service orders so that everything could be handled by our technicians on site. Now we're going to take a little bit more of a look at exactly what everything looks like on the technician, the user side of things on my device. So I have my iPad in front of me. I'm going to go ahead, log in as I would when starting my day, and make sure that I am getting to work. Here on my device, I have a couple of additional informations. I can see all of my service information, my customers, my service orders and quotes, service items and item lists, as well as history, and I've got some time tracking going on there. So I'm going to go right ahead and jump in and start my service for today by signing in. But one point in advance, I'm definitely going to want to run my synchronization to make sure I have the most up-to-date information at all times. I'm running a manual synchronization on my side. Most of our customers work with a background synchronization where everything simply works immediately as they're needing it. So as soon as I jump into my service up here, I can see that specific service order that we created where I'm going to need to go and visit my customer on our side. So if I swipe to the side, I can go ahead, start navigation. GPS functionality is always good, so I know how to get there. And then I can always go ahead, give the customer a call, send them an email, let them know I'm running a little late because I'm stuck in traffic, but I am up to date on all of those points. As soon as I jump into my service order itself, I can see I have quite a few details, including my service item information. So if I go here on the side, I can view my specific service item information. I know specifically all of my details about this item. I know what item I needed. I can see, oh, I have some components listed. It's already installed. They're low priority, won't have a response. That looks pretty good for me to go out today then. But if I go via what we call our burger menu, I have some additional information such as components, where I can right up front have a good idea of, do I have my spare parts in the vehicle? Do I have everything I need to help my customer? Can I get started right away? And as well as pictures and history. These would be examples of my past service order history, where I would have everything that would be related to that. Do I visit them every year? Do I have the information from the original installation, as well as the pictures that are linked to those specific histories? If I need additional information, I can always link that here. As long as it's available in my dynamics linked to my service item number, I have that. And then I know right away everything about my item before I head on site to go talk to the customer.